this world, guardians of the ways of gods and Buddhas. The art of peace enable us to meet every challenge, yeah. When the opponent comes forward, move in and greet him. When he pulls back, send him on his way. Crystal clear, sharp and bright, the sacred sword allows no opening for evil to rule. A failure is the key to success, and each mistake teaches something. Harmony is brought about, all conflict is resolved through the spirit of the circle. Warriors rally round and brand this universal sword. Shine brightly, reveal it to the world. Hard as diamond, flexible as a willow, smooth flowing like water, or empty as the space. Yeah, step by step we make our path one of peace and brightness. Never defeated means never fighting, no. We want to cure the world of this sickness of violence. Open the door of stone for the second time. The morning sun floods my heart with light, and from my doorway I soar to heaven, bathed in divine radiance. Crystal clear, sharp and bright, the sacred sword allows no opening for evil to rule. Success, and each mistake teaches something. Hold on, be strong, free of weakness. I never